Halloween costumes launch. Before we get into the demos, just to let you know, subscribe. Okay, let's get into this. Oh my gosh, Huggy Wuggy. This is insane. I need him. I love the details too. Also a little worried about him being outside. His fur might get a little wet, but I love him. How about we get to the next prop, shall we? Wow, unexpectedly way more details than I thought. I love the green hair and the face. Detailing is crazy. I would love to get this guy, but I probably won't, but he's pretty cool, my opinion.
Let's put a smile on that face. And now I see the funny side. Now I'm always smiling. Why so serious?
Whoa, I didn't know we were switching that fast, but... Okay, look at this clown. He's honestly pretty cool. His legs are a bit skinny and his arms, but overall, I would not want him in my bedroom at 3 a.m. in the morning. Heck no. Oh, wow. This guy is ugly. Appreciate the Superman shirt, though, but anyways, I'm not the big fan of this prop. I think they could have done a little bit better, maybe some different movements, but yeah, he's mid. Whoa, this is unexpectedly good. I really thought he wasn't going to be that good, but he's pretty good. I wish that they would open stores just like Spirit Halloween and have all the props to show. I don't know if they actually do, already because I'm new to this.
Dead. And we will. Smeagol did it once. He can do it again.
Well, the face detailing is crazy and I love the clothes. The wings just look so funny on him, but I get it. He's supposed to have wings. The yellow teeth make him big and scary, but I think his eyes light up, which is pretty cool. Wow, this animatronic is pretty cool. I love the white and black colors, makes it look like yin-yang, and I love the face details, and I just looks like a perfect Halloween movie prop.
3!
Wow, the mayor of Halloween Town from Nightmare Before Christmas. Obviously, he kind of reminds me with his animations of Two-Faced Teddy from Spirit Halloween, or recognized as Trash, not the mayor of Halloween to face Teddy, but anyways, I like this prop, he's pretty cool.
Jack, please, I'm only an elected official here. I can't make decisions by myself.
Whoa, catnap, that was unexpected. Another Poppy Playtime prop. This is crazy. Look how huge he is. His eyes lights up and he exhales fog that's so cool, and his big yellow moon necklace, but I love how big he is. Wow. A Harry Potter animatronic, something that we don't see that much, but I kinda wish his mouth moved while he talks, but otherwise he's pretty cool. The detail is pretty mid, but overall he's pretty cool.
School of Witchcraft and Wizardry this year. Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
Wow, this guy is super detailed. I love the mask and the shoulder blade, but anyways, overall, this guy is really cool, but his price is a bit steep in price.
And his prey. You fool. No man can kill me. Die now.
Anyways, guys, that's all I have for this video, and if you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye for now. Peace.